Hi guys, welcome to Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making chicken and rice. So for this chicken and rice, you're going to need 5 chicken thighs, some rice, a green bell pepper, onion, garlic, Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, and onion powder, and some chicken bouillon, and a fourth of a cup of flour. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're just going to season up our chicken. We'll get our chicken seasoned up. We're just going to let the seasoning just sit in on the chicken while we cut up our vegetables and everything else. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit while we wait. Alright, first thing, let's chop up our onion. Just going to cut the 2 ends off. Now, give it a quick peel. Just like that. And we're just going to give it a rough chop, just some dices, and cut down the middle. First, and just chop down just like this. Alright, bang bang. Right across. Alright. Bell pepper, cut the sides. Just like this. We're going to use this whole thing. This is a small one, so it's fine. And we're going to give it a chop right across, just like this. You just pile them on top of each other and make it quick. And just run the knife right across. You got your onions and your bell peppers all done. Get a couple cloves of garlic. I'm trying to get all the big ones. I don't really want to deal with the little ones. This is a nice big size one. This is 2 together, but that's alright. Smash all the same. Take out some aggression. Smash that thing. Paper come off real easy. Everything just come off. It shouldn't be on. Smash, and all you just do, right after you just smash them all, just run your knife right through it. Ooh, this one don't want to come off. Sorry, I'll smash it again. There it is. Check I pulled them out loud or not. Let's go ahead and smash them. garlic gets sticky when you release the juices and everything. They get sticky and want to stick onto the paper once you smash them and start releasing their juices. Don't worry. Then here, just start chopping. And you're going to have some minced garlic. See how quick that was? There you go. Then your garlic, the onion, and everything you need. So now, let's move on over to the stove. Okay, so I have a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil at the bottom of the pan. So we're going to sear off our chicken a couple at a time. It's going to take a little time to do so. You just get it in there. And that sound, that sizzle is what we're trying to hear. And we don't want to overcrowd the pan because we want the chicken to brown. So we're going to do 2 at a time. Just like that. And I'm putting them the skin side down so that the skin can get more color to it. And color means flavor, guys. So that's what we want. We want color. Alright, so once these sear off, we're going to flip it over. And we're just going to keep repeating it until our chicken is done. Okay. Alright, so let's flip and see what we got. Look at that. Color equals flavor, guys. Color equals flavor. So we're going to brown off the other side, and when we come back, like I said, we're just going to keep repeating the cycle. 2 in, once that gets done, 2 out. Okay, so this is the last piece coming out. Look at that, all flavor. All flavor, guys. Now remember that we did chop up our onions, peppers, and garlic. Like that. Right in there. Now I'm putting this all in together. Garlic, everything included. I'm going to get this sauteed down. And then catch all that flavor on the bottom from the chicken. I'm going to add our flour. Just a little flour, not a lot. A couple tablespoons. Make a good roux. And just let, that's right, so just let that flour and the oil from the chicken and the couple tablespoons that I put in there, look at that, just seep together. See now this, see I'm doing it old school, guys, I'm doing it old school. See, this is the old school style, you know. And we just let it cook off. And then, you know how your mom just hit it with that seasoning. Well, you're going to hit it with some Shelly seasoning. Shelly's house seasoning. Then we're going to hit it with a little, some of this chicken bouillon. We're just going to get a couple teaspoons in, not too much. You don't want it to be salty. And that's going to give it so much flavor. So much. Get it mixed in. And see, I like this dish because it's a one pot dish. You don't have to dirt up nothing else. You got all that in there. And you get this, just the cooking down. You got your onions releasing flavor. You got the bell peppers releasing flavor. The chicken already released flavor. It's going to release some more. And then when we add our instant rice in there, because that's what we're using, we add that instant rice. Oh, this stuff smells really good already. Like, I haven't even really done anything to it. We're just going to let this, we're just taking a minute or so to cook that flour taste out. That's what we want. We want that. We want to incorporate all of the flavors together so it come out and give you a fantastic taste. Alright, so now we just add, you know what, not yet, not yet. Alright, get a little darker. I think this is good. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water, a liter, if you may. Look at that. Now that's some beautiful stuff right there. Now I'm going to put this in and see how much more water we might need. Alright. And see that juice that came out of that chicken? Pour it right back in there. Pour it all in there. All of that flavor. All of it. Look at this. And we're going to let this come to a boil. And we're going to taste it. And we're going to come right back. So it's come to a light simmer. So just going to stir it around just a bit. Now, I'll give it a taste of flavor and seasoning. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I don't need to add any more seasoning. Just gonna let it go on all the way through. I'm just gonna let it cook up. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna let it go. And when we come back, we're going to add the rice and the broccoli right into this pan. Alright, so this is cooked. It's done. Already starting to fall off the bone. So now let's add a cup of rice. And our broccoli. Matter of fact, let's add the broccoli first. So I have a 12-ounce bag of broccoli. Like I said, this is one of those one-pot meals. Everything goes right into the pot and get all cooked up. Look at that. Seasoned really well. We're going to add a cup and a half of rice. I can get the rice open. Goodness. So it's just 2 cups of rice. It'll be fine. Alright. I'm going to just stir this in. Like this. And the broccoli and the rice. The rice only takes 5 to 8 minutes to cook up. And look, then you just have, guess what? You're going to have chicken, rice, broccoli. I'm going to add half a cup of water to this. Just so the rice has somewhere to go. Alright? So in 8 minutes, I'm going to come back. We're going to plate this sucker up and I'm going to let y'all know what it tastes like. And I'm trying to tell you guys, this is an amazing meal. You got a one-pot wonder, you got vegetables, you got your rice, you got your chicken, you got your protein, everything, all in this one pot. So simple, so easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Anybody can do it. So, you got your chicken, you got your rice, and your broccoli. All in one pot. Take you an hour and a half to cook this meal. Okay, so these are the final results. Isn't this bowl absolutely breathtaking? Just want to eat it. Just want to eat all of it. Look at that. This spoon just cut down that chicken like that. Oh, amazing. Look at this, the rice, the beautiful broccoli. Look, I added some scallions on top. Guys, there's only a few ingredients. The Shelly's house seasoning with salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder on the chicken. Some chicken bouillon, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pan to fry it up. That same oil, we took 3 tablespoons of flour, put in there, season it with all the vegetables and the onions, the peppers, the garlic. Put it in there with that chicken bouillon. Added 4 cups of water to it. Look at this. Oh. That added the chicken back in. Waited a while. Added the broccoli and the rice. Let that stuff until the rice was done and the broccoli heated all the way through. You got dinner. You got dinner, guys. And I cooked it on a medium low. I'm telling you, this thing is piping hot. So I'm just gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna blow it. I'm gonna taste them veggies in that rice. Well, that piece of chicken that I got on there. Let me just tell you. Chicken and rice, guys. Nothing like this. For all of my new guys, thank you so much for coming aboard and getting the Shelly experience. And all of my faithful subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of my team. I really do appreciate you guys. Love you all. And please come back and check out my next video. I do have another chicken and rice video, which is also fantastic. But like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.